I normally do is I teach something called sign language when we do this memory verse. But this time we're going to sing it. And you might have heard this tune. We're going to sing it to a tune that you might have heard on the adverts. If you recognise it when it comes in, join in. And if you don't, see if you can pick up the tune. And you can join in with me anyway. Ready? Let's give it a go. It starts like this. It goes, everybody. Yeah. And then we go, people see our outward appearance, but God sees our heart. So we're going to do it again. If you can join it, give it a go. Ready? Everybody. Outward appearance, but God sees our heart. And this bit again, Billy. But God sees our heart. Well done. You are the quietest singers I've ever heard. Do you think you can sing really loudly for me? Yeah? Okay, let's give it another go and see if you can be super duper loud. Ready? Let's go. Nice and loudly. 1, 2, 3. Everybody, yeah. People see our outward appearance, but God sees our heart. And again from the beginning, ready? 1, 2, 3. Everybody.